Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now this is the next problem in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced. It's a question involving the concepts of equations and complex numbers. The question says, let fx equal to x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus c be a polynomial with real coefficients such that f of 1 equal to minus 9. Suppose that iota into root 3 is a root of the equation 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2bx equal to 0, where iota equal to square root of minus 1. If alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 are all the roots of the equation fx equal to 0, then we have to find the value of this particular expression. Now since we are given that f of 1 is equal to minus 9, so what I do, I just put x equal to 1 in this function. So f of 1 equal to 1 plus a plus b plus c, and this is equal to minus 9. So this means a plus b plus c equal to minus 10. This is our first equation, right? Now we have been given that iota into root 3 is the root of this particular equation. Now let's simplify this equation. I take out x common. So I'll be getting 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b equal to 0. Right? Now either x is equal to 0 or 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b equal to 0. Now obviously iota into root 3 must be the root of this second equation. Right? Now students, if you are aware of the basic concepts of quadratic equations, then you must be knowing that whenever the coefficients of any quadratic equations are all real quantities, then if one of its roots is a complex number, then the second root must be its conjugate. That means if one of the roots is a plus iota b, then the second root must be a minus iota b. So according to this rule, the second root of this equation must be minus iota into root 3. Right? Now just use the formula for sum of roots and product of roots. So you'll be getting minus 3a upon 4 equal to 0 or a equal to 0. And similarly 2b upon 4 equal to iota into root 3 into minus iota into root 3. Right? This becomes minus 3 iota square, which is just 3. So from here we'll be getting the value of b as 6. Fine. Now we have got the values of a and b. Just put these two values in the first equation. So you'll be getting 0 plus 6 plus c equal to minus 10 or c equal to minus 60. Fine. Now fx becomes equal to x to the power 4 plus, since a is 0, so ax cube gets vanished. Now bx square, this becomes 6x square minus 60. And we have to put it equal to 0 to get the roots of this equation. Once we get the roots of this equation, those roots will be alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4, and finally we'll put in this expression and get its value. Right? Now we move further. Now students, the equation becomes x to the power 4 plus 6x square minus 16 equal to 0. Just put x square equal to t. So the equation becomes t square plus 6t minus 16 equal to 0. I am using middle term splitting method to factorize it. It becomes t plus 8 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So either t is equal to minus 8 or 2. So from here we get x square equal to minus 8 or x square equal to 2. Fine. Now either x is equal to plus minus 2 root 2 iota or x is equal to plus minus root 2. So that means out of 4 roots, 2 roots are complex roots and 2 roots are real. Now let's consider alpha 1 as 2 root 2 iota, alpha 2 as minus 2 root 2 iota, alpha 3 equal to root 2 and alpha 4 equal to minus root 2. Now just find their modulus and put in this particular expression. So mod alpha 1 square becomes just 8. Mod alpha 2 square becomes 8. Mod alpha 3 square becomes 2. And this is again mod alpha 4 square is also 2. So the final answer becomes 20. Now it was a nice problem on the concept of equations and complex numbers. Now students, next problem I will be posting tomorrow. So keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge. Thanks.